Define your goals. What do you want to achieve in life? Once you know what you want, you can start to focus your energy and attention on achieving it. Create a plan. Once you know your goals, you need to create a plan to achieve them. This plan should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Set priorities. Not all goals are created equal. Some are more important than others. Prioritize your goals so that you know what to focus on first. Eliminate distractions. Distractions can derail your focus and prevent you from achieving your goals. Identify your distractions and eliminate them from your life. Take action. Once you have a plan, you need to take action. Don't just sit around and wait for things to happen. Take steps every day to move closer to your goals. Be persistent. There will be times when you want to give up, but if you are persistent, you will eventually achieve your goals. Celebrate your success. When you achieve a goal, take some time to celebrate your success. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your next goal. Don't be afraid to fail. Everyone fails at some point. The important thing is to learn from your failures and keep moving forward. Help others. Helping others is a great way to stay focused and motivated. When you help others, you are also helping yourself. Believe in yourself. The most important thing is to believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. If you believe in yourself, anything is possible.